Did you know that artificial intelligence is now lending a hand or a wing to urban beehives? In the heart of bustling cities, AI-powered beehives are quietly revolutionizing beekeeping, monitoring honeybee health and optimizing hive environments with unparalleled precision. These smart hives utilize sensors and cameras, assessing everything from temperature and humidity to bee behavior, ensuring the colony's vitality. As AI dynamically adjusts the hive conditions, beekeepers are alerted in real time about potential anomalies, guiding rapid interventions to preempt problems. This marriage of technology and nature not only bolsters honey production, but also strengthens essential pollination networks, underscoring an essential shift towards sustainable urban ecosystems.